Hi, my name is Karla, I'm from Croatia, and this is my experience in the European Union Parliament. So the first thing we did, we got to go in the chamber where every country represented itself.
So first of all, we are from Croatia. I'm Robert and she is Lucije.
My colleague Robert and I were representing our school, our city and our country, and for that we are very, very grateful. And it was very intimidating to speak in front of that many people, but the environment was really friendly and kind and supportive, so that wasn't that big of a problem at the end.
Then I went to their short press conference where we got to ask questions and we learned something new about European Union Parliament. After that, we did a short interview with other young reporters. After that, we went back to the chamber where we had a short discussion and we talked about things that involve European Union. Also at the end we had an opportunity to play Eurogame and win a prize. At the end I want you to hear some other experiences and other thoughts on our experience in the European Union Parliament.
I mean, I would, this was a very nice experience for me.
Of course, because we had a lot of fun and at the same time it was very educational and we learned a lot about European Parliament and European Union in general.
Definitely, I would like to participate in the decision making of the EU Parliament and I think that the future depends on the young people of every country, no matter its size.
I don't know about that. I don't think I would come back because it's just not for me. I'm more of a closed space kind of guy. I'm just more used to that.
But all in all, I want to thank you, European Union Parliament, for inviting us there because we had such a great experience. We learned a lot, we made new friends.